Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, and now tap on advanced. At the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so system update. Let's tap on it, and we can tap on check for update. And basically, here your device will check for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios, two different results. This is the first one where your device is showing the information that it is up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, it will show you the information about the version of the Android and the security update. And the second scenario is when your device will actually show you that there is the update available to download. Of course, it will show you the info about what has been fixed, what has been added in this update, the name of it, etc. And then all you have to do is to tap on download or install whatever it will appear, whatever will appear right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.